We can change the color of a node, and that is particularly useful when we are zoomed out and we want to spot a node at a glance. To bring up the color palette, click on this button or press the C key. We can resize the palette by clicking on its edges or in the corner. We can left click and drag and drop a color onto a node, or we can select a node and then click on the color that we want to set that to. You can right click on a node, go to Actions, and then select Use Default Color to revert the node color. You can also go to the Tools menu, and then here you have the Show Palette subsection, where you can click None, or you can show the color palette, for example, or the Shapes palette. If you want a node to stand out, you can change its shape. Let's begin by bringing up the Shape palette, clicking this button, or you can use the shortcut Z. Now we can left click and drag and drop the shape that we want onto a node, or with the node selected, you can click the shape that you want, which will also change the shape of the node. You can resize the shape palette by left clicking and dragging on the edges of that palette or in the top left corner. In the Tools menu, we have the Show Palette subsection where you can toggle that as well. So you can toggle the shape palette, switch back to None, or you can toggle the color palette as well. In the View menu, you can toggle the display of custom shapes. And you can right-click on a node, go to Actions, and select Use Default Shape, and that's going to use the default shape for that node.